Alright, I know my methods are a little nutty. I know I'm disorganized and unorthodox and all over the place, but I do get results. Come on, camera. Yes, I do. When it's money, then so am I. Those are really nice. So, once again, 18 karat gold, Mokume Gane. The yellow gold one has a 14 karat gold insert. The red gold one has an 18 karat gold pink, not red gold, pink gold insert. Once again, all Mokume Gane has seams. The seams have to be somewhat good. There are mine right there. I have a little bubble that I have to get at. That's from the solder, I think. That should brush out. I might just leave that alone. Nothing's perfect. Don't try to go for perfection. That's not right. Try to go for perfection. Be comfortable with the fact that you'll never reach it. These are as close to that level as I can not hope for, but I'm satisfied. These are world class. So, once again, twist pattern, 18 karat gold. One is 14 layers, one is 16 layers. That's why the top one is a little busier. I wanted to see what the differentiation would be, and now I have it. So, that's pretty much it, my friends. And this is from a new line that I'm starting. So, I want you to see these have just been marked. Because Mokume Gane isn't one solid metal, I'm just marking with the metals that I used. AU 750, AG 940, 14 karat for the insert. AU 750, AG 940, 18 karat for the insert. And what I want you to understand is I'm going for a new line. So, the line I'm marking are going to be named after gods. What you're looking at here are two of the original Olympians. You're looking at Hera for the pink gold. That's Hera right there. And this one, Poseidon. So, we're going to be making Zeus, we're going to be making Demeter, we're going to be making, forgive me if I'm not pronouncing it right, Hestia. We're going to be making Hades. And that's going to complete that set. Then we're going to move on to the demigods and the lower gods. But for now, this is what we got. I'm very happy. Be good, folks. See you soon.